Today we're going to be talking about gift guides and how to best optimize those and turn them into conversions. The first thing you're going to want to do is send your gift guide out to your customer base via email or SMS. Make sure that it's an easily downloadable PDF or something that's broken down within the email so people can easily go through and see what your suggestions are for your holiday gifts. In tandem with that, you want to make sure that you have a collection page where all of those products are listed and accessible via a link or anything else like that from the buying guide. This just makes it super easy for your customers to find what was on that list. The other thing you want to consider is doing in-page product recommendations from the products on your gift guide list. Make sure that these are on pages like blogs or informational pages, anywhere where the customer might be going to find more information. Make sure that you're putting the products that are on your list front and center for your customers to find. The other thing you really want to consider is using your gift guide as a way to increase engagement on social media pages. Posting a couple products at a time, or maybe for the course of a couple of weeks. This is going to encourage a lot of engagement on your social pages like follows and likes and comments, as well as can help increase list growth, telling people, get the whole gift guide, sign up on our site. You can even create a landing page where people can sign up once they follow a link from your Instagram or your Facebook account. Think about your product and the demographic that is going to be buying that. And then beyond that, think about the people who would be buying for those people. Are they going to be parents, friends, significant others, partners, whatever that may be? You want to consider all of this when setting up your gift guide. You're the one thing that's going to make sure that people who are purchasing for others are finding the right item. Make sure you follow up your gift guide with the ability to talk to somebody at your company, customer service, or someone from support. If you don't have those kinds of resources, make sure there's an easy to find Q&A page or where people can find more information or ask questions. If you have anything like a Reddit page that you follow or you respond to reviews, things like that. No matter what, a gift guide is always a great idea and a great way to increase conversions and engagement over the holiday season.